Hey Danny. So I got the integration up and running. I just want to give you a quick rundown of how it works. So basically here we have the dashboard of the site that I'm building, called QuickFlow. And you can see here, I went ahead and I created the test Airtable integration here. If we go and we edit it and we look at the details of this integration, um, you can see that so the event that takes place, the event that we want to watch for, is when a new record gets created in Airtable. And in order to pull the events from Airtable, we need a little bit of information. So the first thing you need is the base ID name, the base ID, which you can get from the URL in Airtable. It's this little section that with the word app, starts with the word app. So we copied that in there. Next, you want to enter the table that you want to watch out for. In your case, I remember you told me that you wanted a new record. Every time you create a new record in Airtable, you want to create a file in Google Drive with the name of that record. Um, Also, what you want to do is to change the permissions of that file so that anyone can edit it. And then lastly, save that link, that shareable link, in a specific cell in Airtable. So I went ahead and I set everything up already, just for this example to show you. But so here the action is so when we get a new record or a card in Airtable, what we're going to do is we're going to create a file in Google Drive, will be the first action. And then the next action will be update a record in Airtable. So when we create the file in Google Drive, we're going to choose where in Google Drive you want to save it. Here I created an Airtable folder to save that file in. We can create either a document or a spreadsheet. I chose document. And then what would you like to name the file? So you can either type something in, you can type an actual file name in here, or you can just import it from Airtable. So we're going to import the record's name. We want to set the record's name um, to the file name that we create. Here's a little switch that says change the file's permissions, so anyone can edit it. And then lastly, we're going to choose the column that we want to update. So in this case, we want to update the document link column. And what data do you want to put in this column? And you want to put the shareable link from Google, from that file in Google Drive. So we're going to go ahead and save that integration, right? And now if we come over to our Airtable account, I'm just going to create a new record. So I'm just going to call this record a new user. And we're going to save that record. And what's going to happen is we're going to come over here to the Airtable folder in Google Drive, and you'll see in a second a file will pop up with the name of that record that I just created. Let's just give it a second. So there it is. There's the file that was just created, a new user.doc. And then if we go back to the table, Airtable, you can see that that file's link was copied into the document link column, the little shareable link. So there you go. It's up and running for you.